If you wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep, your body, your energy may not be resting with you. Let's create a sacred rest day that actually replenishes, refreshes, and rejuvenates your system. Hello, beautiful soul. So today we're working with Archangel Raphael, Amethyst, White Howlite. This is a top polished point. I love those. And Celestite. So, what does this all mean? Archangel Raphael is the primary, not the only, but the primary angel for healing. Healing, when you wake up tired, a lot of us, I'm already starting to get different information from several different angels, so I'm going to ask them to speak with me and through me one at a time, please, so that I can share the information they want shared with you without stumbling all over my mouth. Okay, so Archangel Raphael, he is the primary the primary angel for healing. He has lots of angels that also help and work with him. Green is healing. So if you're not feeling rested, not only is your conscious mind busy, but your soul, your soul, your etheric self is doing a lot of work during your sleep time. That can still happen and you still wake up a little more refreshed. And even when you are tired on some days more than others, and I can certainly relate to that, then it's very important, if you can, to just rest. Pull away from your devices. Man, that's really hard. It's really hard to pull away from our devices these days because we're all connected, and then there's a collective. So before I digress, okay. So you can imagine one of the things you can do to help create a sacred rest day. Leave your phone in the other room or by your side, and then only look at it maybe, well, as little as possible. Give yourself some kind of an incentive. Read a book, watch a movie. It's really hard to just do absolutely nothing. You can start your day off by just acknowledging that you just don't have it today. This is not about a low vibration, but your energy level, your physical energy level may be not so good. So how does white howlite, can you see I love this. It's all natural here, and it's just the top part of the point that is polished. I really like it. Okay, so how does white howlite help you? Energetic purification, clearing, and protection. Did I say that? Um, it is also, and yes, I am reading from my notes because I don't always remember all the metaphysical properties for all the crystals, minerals, and stones that I work with and help you learn about. So it helps quiet mental chatter. How can you do that? You can just, wow, I can already feel it just calming my own conscious mind right here, right now with you. And this is how I would do it. Just lay it across. Now you could hold it in your right hand. Okay, hold it in your right hand and place your left hand just over, not flat, but just over your forehead, and just have this one in your lap, pointing with the termination, the point away from you, so that you're not zapping yourself with the energy, because it's about cycling it through your body and out. Okay, so that's one way. And as you're working with white howlite, it also clears energy from around you, not just within you. Amethyst is a good protector. I love this guy. This is what I call a mini cathedral. Look at, on the back side here. Oh, there it is. I like that. All right, so amethyst of the violet ray can help burn off tiredness, any energies that you may have attracted or collected, tapped into inadvertently, knowingly, unknowingly during your sleep time. And again, just hold it. If you have a tiny, tiny piece of amethyst or a tumbled stone of white howlite, my suggestion is you add some clear quartz with it so that the clear quartz will magnify the energy of your piece. Now, if you have tumbled stones, maybe a handful of tumbled stones, because a very small piece can only do a little bit of work. Okay? Same with amethyst. And if you put celestite or celestite, however you prefer to pronounce it, by your bedside at night. And then I would, if you have a selenite disc, you could put it on a selenite disc. Mine rests on a selenite disc all the time, so it's just continually being cleansed, charged for its highest purpose. Celestite raises the vibration in a graceful, subtle, gentle, compassionate way in your physical environment, whether it is in your home or your office. Right now, we're talking about sleep time. So put this near a piece of selenite or blue kyanite, or on a selenite disc. You know, it can be a small one. You could even put it in a selenite bowl. Yes, that's a good idea. Thank you. By your bedside, and it will help increase increase the peacefulness. Encourage, that's better. Encourage peacefulness during your sleep time. So how can Archangel Raphael help you with this? By imagining, visualizing, setting the intention for a bubble of green, emerald green light around your bed as you sleep at night will help you do what you need to do during your sleep time, as well as preventing, repelling, deflecting, that's a good word, thank you, unwanted energies, so that the work that we do during our sleep time, whether your soul travels or you're dreaming a lot, whatever the work is, because, our conscious mind is never totally quiet. It just is less noisy during sleep. It helps so that your physical body rests during the night or whenever you sleep. Now, here's something else that you can do. You can set the intention, a very, very simple one. At night, thank you, Archangel Raphael or Raphael. Thank you, Archangel Raphael, for helping me sleep peacefully during the night, for any healing that needs to be done. I accept, and I wake fully rested. Something super simple. And again, as I've been sharing with you over the last videos and who knows for how long, not naming anything specifically actually helps you to move through the thing, through the emotion, through the experience, the frustration, the disappointment, the betrayal, whatever it is, more easily. Because when we name something, we're bringing attention to it. Okay? Does that make sense? Okay, so some things that you can do to help you detox. Because when our energy is low, we're usually carrying so much stuff here and in our heart and our physical body. Our physical body is a magnet. So white howlite can help be, that's a crystal energy repellent for negativity, for cleaning the energies around you, your aura, your etheric energy bodies. That's one way to do it, okay? And think of amethyst with the purple. Think of it as like the violet flame, because it is a violet color. Well, purple, violet family, burning off what is unwanted, what is unnecessary, what is extra. And then the celestite, smoothing, soothing emotions, as well as bringing peaceful inner peace to you and your environment, whether it is your meditation space, your bedroom, your office space, whether you work at home or you working at in an office. So take a salt bath if you can. And if it's during the week, here's, I'm getting different energies because, I work from home, thankfully. And so I can do these things more easily or sooner than maybe some other folks. So if you wake up tired, do what you need to do to get through your day without pushing, forcing, just do what you can. You can connect with this beautiful piece of white howlite telepathically, mentally through your third eye, and borrow it, okay? It's always protected. So it's okay if you borrow this telepathically so that you can clear out your energy during the day. You can also do amethyst. Maybe you already have amethyst in your collection. Maybe you have celestite. Maybe you have white howlite. Use what you have and then get something else if you so choose, if you're guided to do so. Salt bath when you can. So if you go to an office or you have people come into your space to do work, salt bath when you can. Burn incense, because you can burn incense, right? You can burn incense in your room in the morning or before you go to bed, like maybe a half hour before, so that it clears the energies. If you use a spray, like an aura cleanse spray, you can make it yourself. Get a small spray bottle, inexpensive one. Put in lavender, essential oils, organic is best, lavender, black pepper, sage, and frankincense. That's what I use in my spray bottle. Lavender, very high vibration, clears energies. Black pepper is for protection. The sage, of course, is clearing, just like a sage bundle. You don't need a lot of that one. And then frankincense burns off energies. So you can spray that on your pillow at night, once a week or so. Burn incense. Let's see, use a singing bowl to help clear the energy around you. Connect to Archangel Raphael and a special crystal. How do you connect? Hold it. Just hold it. How do you connect with Archangel Raphael if you're not used to connecting with the angels? Archangel Raphael, please be with me. Please help me. Please help me have enough energy for today. Hold them. You can make it more complicated, but you don't need to. It is important to rest when you can. If you do go to an office or you have an office in your home and people come in to work with you, there are different scenarios. So work with what you can when you can. If you're not able to take a rest day, rest as soon as you can. So you're coming home, have a shower, have a salt bath, have your meal, and then just unplug. Unplug. If there are other people in the home, wife, kids, roommate, housemate, let them know that you just need to, I just need a little bit of time to regain my energy. Shut the door and be with yourself. Keep it simple. Let me know how you do this for yourself. If you have any questions, I'd love to know, yes, I would love to know how you work through those days where you are just, oh my gosh, I can't do this today. I just don't have the energy, don't have the mental bandwidth, and my emotions are just like right here. I have a couple of those. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul. Please remember, you are loved and treasured beyond measure. You and your dreams matter.